Papa. Not be Papa give her that name. Now this their uncle, so I give Sharon. I still give this guy name. Now this their uncle still did their life to date it tomorrow. Sharon's spirit is not asleep. No matter how you try to cover this, Madam 50 Cent, should I tell you your real name? Your real name is Joy. Share this video. Why are you picking on me? Your real name is Joy. Your own father was not happy with you when he was alive. Your own father always just sent where? How did I know of all these things? Because of your atrocities. You feel nice. You are a narcissism. Okay? You appear to be good in the eyes of people, but indoors, you are not good. All you know is how to Molikia. You are ready to spend your hard-earned money to make a man not leave you. You are ready to spend your hard-earned money on a man. Make that man not leave you. Man. And your beer parlor of that suya small business you do, those are the things you take serious in your life. You see, I say Sharon's spirit, fair use of some meditative talk. You threaten her, you apologize. Sharon again, use God, they talk. Now threaten that one because he not they do, he not too strong for saga. Now, the Sharon spirit now is using me now to say it confidentially that when your daughter was in coma, you will push her up. Come and tell the world. That is why I write it. Tell the world the truth before 7 p.m.
Oh, yes. Okay.
You have to tell the world the truth. Since we menstruate na yati presenter, you will continue to say the truth of how you treated Sharon when she was alive. You cannot tell me otherwise. Forget me for calling your name. May I describe when I ask for you? I'll describe the one for you later. Hello. Yeah. Yes. I'm on live video. About what?
Me appear to shoot content video.
You did shoot? Are you for one there now? You just lost a fan. Come on, get out of here. I know you before. Hey, Kunle, you never hear me say, Kunle, good evening. You both are talking to me. What did we? Guys, boy. You all know your count now. I don't write you for ground already. What you do when one make me see a guy, I don't write him for ground already. Why only PC are social media now? I have me Sharon. We not tell matter. We know you treat Sharon or Ragmo. What's the normal support of you? A good mother will always support the ideas of his or her children. Now the joy of every mother and every father say they are picking my bare house. Why did you not support? Why did Mama Patience, Patience of Bisharwa? Why did Mama Patience not stand for Sharon to go by house? Why? Sharon, get him for your house. Yes, Sharon. Hey, Sharon will go where? Sharon, get him for your house. A GoFundMe. GoFundMe where senior son not join. What kind of a GoFundMe is that? I wish I could get all these stories. And now they get my right information. They think me kawa have a story with her now. He may get support a GoFundMe. Support what? Is there any remorseful? As a mother that just lost her child? The answer is no.
Who's calling me?
You that lost your child. Hello? You have the right, the confidence to call a presenter and tell the woman how you brought your children to Europe. You just carry them home, finish. What happens after that? Is a story for this evening. Sharon, brother, not get wife. Now I go better fast. Wait there, Mama Sharon house. Where Mama Sharon give one room for your house. Now they tell the go better everything they form say. Now the boy wife in B. Sharon brother never marry and he not get wife. Go better. The ball is about to turn. Now one know who they fight for truth. Sharon brother does not have a wife, he not get picking. If Sharon brother get wife, Sharon brother not go give Sharon daughter to her mother. Hello from Ireland. So you say brother wife, Sharon brother wife, we did the same. You have to provide it because Sharon brother don't get wife. Sharon brother don't get wife. When the Sharon this sofa say, as the brother come pity Sharon rich. The brother come to say, Sharon, now we don't get house now. He go rent one part, mean they give you the money. Oh, when we're not waiting in Sharon now, which is your son. Now that house you can go stay for 5 months. No Sharon take the Nigeria. You know how Sharon take pay that money finish. You know how Sharon call the call. May go the help and they withdraw money. Sharon pay 50,000 euro cash. From there, Sharon begin to pay 500 euro. Okay, I pay A4 to make him 60K. You are so wicked. Wicked, you like prick past your life.
And no get where you boy are going. Oh, one. Able to not friend with Denmark. One more to Sharon. Sharon got Basha with Denmark. Able no got friend Namugune. Easy. Katasin. Even way out of the Catalan scene. This one you don't get story to talk. You don't get story. Izzy Omoruyi because Izzy winner. Izzy Sharon Bane. Let's see Mujari boy be no be ya dowa. You understand me now? So don't get what you want to talk. All this way talk already the media. Now story they talk to. You understand? Izzy na Mujari boy be. Izzy was the one pay the money after Sharon pay 50,000 euro. You understand? I can't use that here. You defeat me so. That was the reason why Nakatabawe Izzy and the mother is trying to collect that house from Sharon. If you don't know me, I tell you. What's Zuo? Maybe they tell you story. They talk. They hear you.
So will not that be the bend down? Why blood not go pass through ahead? Why? The spiritual controls the physical. This is not a spiritual problem. Sharon died out of lack of care. That was what the doctor told you.
You told me.
Why are you not telling the truth?
What there?
Why are you making people
walk this around
like say Osamede and God did not know what they do? You know why those people can't apologize to you? Number one, they don't be presenters.
Now you are those girls like Sharon.
Usamede na just
We're gonna call you for hospital.
We did Facebook,
See,
they do our
coma.
thing. Godi na just TikToker. We they do our thing for TikTok. That's why they can't apologize to you. 2, people advise them, say, what can be your problem for person matter? Or your wewo, yeah, okay, store, or yeah, kuma, or your wewo, you apologize. Now that they can't apologize to you. You know what you want to do paper for? If you will bring. Number 1, when your daughter did coma, you know who post on Yari Bebori. Number 2. If Sharon they convinced to live picking with you, Yari Bebori. You know Sharon account. You know how much Sharon gets for her account. You love your daughter so much and you don't have your daughter's password.
Everybody wants to go. Era the password in there.
Not the Baba give her money, we take JJB. They don't give her.
Yeah, Tony.
Okay.
Today, where the matter now, Bungwe? See that where I know we now.
That goes where, va? Mugu.
Echo better. You say when Sharon called me, Mama Sharon give her money. Yes, Sharon. You need to go in Sharon. How much you say give her? Yes, Sharon. We are there. 3,500 euro. And we're in Sharon. We are here. Why did you give Sharon 1,000? Already a phone get away. Already a television get by. A mother paid collateral, as in a mother allow her daughter to pay her collateral to give her 1,000 euro. Mama 50 cents. Sharon just died. You never more Sharon reach 24 hours. You don't look for person where Sharon give money. When what they say for Sharon for Germany. Anybody will go talk say this is not fair. If you not see that for body, you will become a bad mother to your children. Osta again, say amen. Osta again, say amen to what I just said. Anybody that will analyze this video, you know analyze that well because you and no game will get problem. My dear, you will be a bad mother. You bad mother when you want to be to your children, they go they beg you for one thing until they provide collateral. You know, give them. With 3,500 euros, una mouri pa we no gu. Iba na mua we man down. America was there. Oh, one Johnny Jay. America was one Johnny Jay. You why so not ye? Everybody know how I love mother so much.
Yeah.
But for me to come out like this, you will know that something has happened. I'm not just talking. I'm not just talking. I'm spill it out. Everything I've said is fact.
Koyo, don't go like.
They'll come back use. He newly lost the pikin. She's money dollar. A mother who moms can never drive. At least I mean 1 month. My patience is even returned that your pikin just now. The patience is. Mommy, don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't. When their grandmother were touching me.
I return the money.
Custody.
I return the money.
Patience Izzy can take that child from Italy to Nigeria. He get the custody. Not be your president for give you custody. Not be make a copy called the Chris yesterday. Abi aya copy with a meko betene umata mewe are ye custody ni patience easy you. Don't call me mama. Don't call me auntie. Call me mama. At the end, they still give him custody of the child. So we both are fool. Or we both stupid. They go for me, nothing no DNG. Sharon, that brother. Sharon, that brother, not they go for me. Wamari again me sunu. Go for me. Okay, Sharon, it all.
Boke guaro because mama na igo ni awamune. Ni an Izzy. Because Izzy want that money to go to her. That's what they exist themselves from the coach from me. Agiaga. Oyang. You dey talk now. It's true we don't talk. Oh. You want my besaga? Where is what now? Yeah.
How many children you go get?
You my besaga. Na masha wo yowa. E we na wo re wa now.
Iwa do ti hiri ko ana obun. Eni do tamawe. Inu sa medita e mata no. Eni godita e mata no. E meni no gina de gbedo ta na we. Vega de Sharon na re koma. Ki sto. Iye down.
Wegaso. Ibu said.
Iye down.
The Sharon who or Wikia. We wa Sonia.
What can I describe you as?
We wa so no.
I describe you as a bad
Men
mother.
me go na ye wa sale ka you here. We wa so. Wow.
Woman to be a bad mother.
Wa bo la ju e be
Your
wa.
child. You were again we be.
Eru we the 10,000 we do agun no gun. No kill store. Any you have gbona kill store. Eru we the 10,000 gbe we do ji. Ni rara e. Ana mo gbera. Aye na gbera because of 10k. Because of 10k ni rara yi la we bo.
Very devilish. Pikin dey come. Now market who you. You know they should call pastor, call native doctor, call afar. Make them make sure say that pikin wake up.
Gogbe.
We must send on two mason.
Wa Izzy ogbe Sharon. E no dey wa Izzy ogbe Sharon.
We must send on piano view way.
He had to work in hospital.
We must send on piano view way.
Enogie ya tie bo that's your tiwe. Ya my body.
We must send on piano way. O wa no ma support ni Sharon de. E ori ya to ta ibe na ni afo mi madam. O wadi that house. Good afternoon, Lady Precious Meg.
Oduwe ebe ni we.
Mama.
Nu kere we bo. Unu we uma wa bo wo we mu yue ye. O wa je wa ye ba magbana. We ra si yoro gun oja. O no gun wa gun o. We ni yoro gun oja we do no bayi. Egbe na hu.
Inherit person papa property. Person mama property. Oh, you or you woman. Your more you woman. Mama, no the inherit picking property. Now picking the inherit papa and mama property. Time I go in no soon. To time I go in no soon. To time I go. If not, madam, it buys a gas way. If every day ni aya mo way. When you are to that lost way, that when not lost up, we might get to lost more.
Enogie. Oh, you want the woman. I'm not telling you who you want the woman. Do you Sharon here go Sharon? Izzy. He on your plan wa. Nizi do you go Sharon? Wow. What we get oh bon one. Ewe. Oh, you want the woman. Mumu na enwe me 2 weeks. O kan do you go je. Eta akoko you want do you go okuje. Wa giaga. Where do you go we? Then we nwa se erugwe it also obo ogbara agbadale na be me we what do we otubu iko boss wo bo Agbada ne yewe post mu gwa obo. Wa rigi ore o ma agbada. O ya boro agbada de jibu no ma. E na post agbada rat bo aje obo. Enogie. We man ki kweru we because say dramatic omo. Na we are with DNA test it. We man no say we na zo. Come on, no say we na o obo na. Because say that man accept we. We want da. We make be. We make be. When we are tawo irugwenya, ama accept we as some. That's the problem you're having. Also, the woman yegba, a miss bloody bugbe. You will be aga. Who's be any way? No me goes in the row or moko boakia. Or hakia, we get here over Daniel now. Umate ne buwe no be fiete. I request if I'm able request a DNA test of way. The only child here accept to be where or M1. The only child the family will accept is M1. When the hell marriage I pay 2 million a bear. And the Muja, marriage no. What do I go? Rubbish. Why so get what about this way?
Because you cannot cover this thing. Or see the Sharon away until she have justice before she can rest in peace. Patience is your like emergency grandmother to your grandchildren. We're not like grandmother no anyway. Why will you call your daughter no that beer? Niado momo. Go magwe were ubi or one you are. Not be so children be. Babies they play where don't teaching a play. They don't know say you just slap you. They slap you. Nonsense. A form what for me? What for me? Where to mourn? You are deceivable. Make the video one that you go for me.
But how will you go yo?
Awa. If not you not your support. May support you. Awa. If you may again, il y a eu des lettres de Sharon on the foule. Il y a eu en mode de ma supporter. For every action, thank you, my darling. God forbid, why no ya donate? Why look here? If no more you must support. Why did you? Why did you? I know there are a lot of good Benin people in Edo State, in Edo cyberspace that wants to really help. But when I settle down, when I use my tongue, take out my teeth. There's a sister there. She wasn't part of the GoFundMe. She is not even in support as we speak right now. He's not in support. Waiting make your son beat your boyfriend. Waiting make her. Only turn now and keep paying later. Oyagbe. You the more you the bolo. Boli kia you 50 cents enogie. Wasun. Madaika. Ibu wasun. Why joy? Why you ready? When I give me walk back okay, why? Am I more you talk? And when I fool no. When I wear a mona no mona, he love you keka. Gene. Mama ene orago. Ya sebe una me more by here. You lied on this girl. Say that 3,500 euro you give her. We have now 1,000 you give this. You give Sharon to. All you need with big television and a phone anyway. When you not be your mom. Some more that sha. You not be Mariana, you be Maria. Papa Kevin, Jama first lady husband, I am sorry. Anybody alaja. Anybody alaja na rovision. Oye Sharon e wa ya enwe. Even no wike or wike. Hello. Your madam call sister me. Yeah. It's an abomination, a very big one. It's a very big abomination, big one.
Because I know visually where the forbidden thing, no. I didn't give money, you can move, you know, even know because now cost.
God bless you.
A cost, you know, for you to know where they bury your child is a cost. To even control the bar where arrangement is a cost.
Tell the presenter now, my he made to make an announcement now, my sister. Or Dion and not Dion. Or Sharon, mama. Or we did that go for me. My day support.
Jesus. When I affect that I have you consider because I born a
He's a senior.
Only when we find there's not pack carry why. You don't have your own house, no matter what.
No, pack carry why.
One will be wedging. No, now where the money where how will you feel?
Mama, every on your bar, mama. Your pack carry is not the problem. That was the same house. No more supported Sharon. Not there. They Sharon Aragmo. Eso puni agui when Sharon Mugo ni no fiate ya duwa ni ya boost a business in you. Sharon agwe ye se wawe. It don't try to go the rent house. So make your bed. Ni wa ni je. Ona egwe ini ne we me go na ya duwa we. We go na mu me ya business in ona we even iye patience easy was even the one who marry very a madana in a web one
easy to return the child. That means in a should go the doctor and competent. Because then you're competent one. Many see more easy. Every year I was only with down there. I will have money. Your mama for more, but I will not hear
Egile ye wa bari to no mo ba egile ye wa go egile. Ye wa kakabanya. Mother we just lost the pikin. He said, oh, Mona the talk amen. Mona the talk amen. Wa gbe me yo Amen, Lord God. Everywhere you bought the kinamo, you. Everywhere you bought the kinamo, you. Salopua, a Bopanya, not a Viagamo. Everywhere you bought the kinamo, is a prayer point. Could better with the look of you. Or I just will go. What is the deed for Sharon? You cannot do it. If you do it, you have in Facebook. You will tell something. I keep pushing to tell you. And you have to keep the secret. The secret where patients keep. No matter.
Oh yeah. Why ya do wa we say do. I'm so happy. Why I'm happy, but the one here say you don't return the picking. It is done. That's a nice one from Izzy. If you have done that, kudos to you. That was a nice one. You understand? So, who want to go do saga? I didn't see what my life. You know, good. Anything where Izzy like me tell you, that's not our business. We don't buy them. That's the truth. Who don't buy, don't buy. Anything where you and Izzy like, no can use na talk to hell with you now. You understand? The plan not work, so you can frame any other thing you feel like talking. We don't care. We the Beninese will not buy. Yes. Now abroad with this so it not be like Nigeria. And Nigeria with this now physically no usually worry. You know we now. But our business now abroad with this so even though you're picking that even though you be 90 years, you will still act to the people's voice. Police come to the you don't ask questions as the mother of the disease. That's Europe for you. Europe not know whether they more person. Europe not know whether it too small we go down and man not supposed eat because if you eat down, and man not supposed fuck because if you eat. Europe not know that one. Oh boy, oh you don't know that one. Now we black they listen all those things. As now Europe they so my guy. Here the orogo we did. Or one in what you want me anyway. I think that's the truth. We don't grip put. So a no you want you water. I won't only remember pass out no kweku. Zero no my dad. Now, if you are dead by what you know, be a dead by good for me, one day by good for me, boom, because you want easy Omoruyi, you manipulated a boy. Inside there, so as far as I said all the topic to the mother, we don't get problem. The let you are the beg the general public we see, I bet we not support this accounts. Easy. The account want to support a Sharon. We not support the accounts. Anything we do with me, I want to put. You understand? Now what we need that one. Not be everyday grass goes. We not there for saga. You understand? I'm not join the saga squad now. The squad will be yours did now. On my own. I don't want to do my own one man squad. I support the truth, sincerity. You understand? The truth, the squad of taking Sharon to Nigeria and bury her amicably. That's the squad we are support. So please, if you know say you also support that squad, please support this account. Put money for this account. We'll see how we'll fit it on and I'll get as long we'll put the money for the account reach. So I will try to see how we don't raise money reach. You understand? Then we'll try to continue the necessary process on how to fly this girl back home and get the one bury and put for Nigeria. We need to see how we'll fit it on now. Because that place needs to be built. You understand? That place needs to be built normally. The way it is supposed to be. It's still shameful by this kind of time. See, some of these entertainers, they just lock up like they don't know what will happen. Because of my concern, yeah, what lock up. You understand? It making sense, bro. Many of you now when they watch my video, when they listen, entertainer, JJ Barry, 24 bit. You understand? All those are cool, the rest of those them. What is it? Don Nice, all of those entertainers. What if you name? There plenty. They know that say what do you want with the UK? Why we not with mine or sunu? You understand? All of my all lock up, my all boom. I say no know what they happen. My guy, not be so. I mean, I see you say we not show love. If you don't reach through me, my fist still pass through another person because mama can like me, marry like what? That's the truth. Pass through another person, show love to this Sharon. I have one where 24 bit to the 1 million. 24 bit to the year, 24 bit, 5 million. Oh, I bet it was him, but I believe we bet it. But put on phone and walk one. If you do, that's the they used to that way. 24 bit want to better that they see all this young musician. Then, whatever. Yeah, that's one. I don't know if you go there. Oh, you can hear it where you are with the industry. Oh, Una, when I am worried, why are when I feel you, man? Una do like 7 or year. You lock up like 7 or year. I'll be lying now. Somebody need to tell me the truth. The way they behave like wish, like peons. I can't dig with the one and what the supporter of the what we are doing, YG. Also, like being not be lying. You say their man go get money. Man go get money, they will come receive a break account. Let's hear buoyancy. Well, what do and okay, good for me near in the year. You know, ask for now. I said, if you buy big book, you're not over here to sell it. Now, if you are boys, all of them will cooperate. One person will see, go do this one, person will see, go do this one. Before you know what they have, this kid reach Nigeria since then. I had deliberating here, why I was saga, why I enjoy the saga, why I the wait time, why I great depression. One more time, why use every one when they go, where this is supposed to do this thing. Person go bring good idea, not go shift. Na saga you stand up na go raise shoulder na one dey listen to saga yo ya why ya ma ya go get and that no we dey if ni go wa dey do go wa go gbe ya ma ya go get wa ya do down ni no we dey omo no here da wu aro we ba ya down ho ya pobo ya no ti ya ati yo no wa gun oni oko no zuwa. You love Sharon so much you dey insult me on social media. For your mind and love, not the love so. I want you to go out drama. Ni go no be you want no share a video, no post a birthday picture. All of you lock up that don't know what they talk about. When I show love, I'm gonna kiss a guy you are running. Why I show you love? Why am I I love Sharon. I don't like Sharon. Show love now. I'm gonna know her. You know, we fresh nothing, but you know what Francis Sharon. None of them on where you are. I was the Sharon here. No matter where you are, all senior. Only initially, all senior, apart from Festina Peter. Festina Peter. Nikkei, Sarah. I was a new guy. Oh my God. Anyway, good my God, how are we? Yagi Nenya Wusawa si Sawa na mem. Oh my God.
You now have free access to the husband.
Jesus.
You not yet the last one this morning. Again, we hear it. Mama give me. Mom. Eko bete no wana. Not more free. We never allow his or her child to be any problem. Eko bete football. Aniru, our name Maguna, you don't let you. I will stop for you.
Yeah.
Is it not get right? Patience is it not get right to enjoy yourself? You buy your city. I mean, I will say there. Which friend go fit do this thing? Which patience do for Sharon? You not get right? So patience isn't on a baby. So say go see boyfriend. Or I am boyfriend. Or every right. He has right. He get right to go see boyfriend. Patience is he get right to knock. Not be any your mama.
Don't we not told him, man? Your party now you could tell. And your party, Ebony Asaba. Now you could tell that one. None of us accuse and say you don't get right to go knock. With the way they pray me knock me born. Me getting your baby. Now what will they pray for baby that one? If you still born, we'll celebrate her. You know Lester? Now the truth now. The way you don't get sense. Make a live on here. And I will see you guys when I'm back again.
A minute silence for Sharon OKPAMEN.
You may question of what I have before, you know. They're now whether I'll have.
May your soul rest in peace, Sharon OKPAMEN. May your soul rest in perfect peace. You did not pray for it, but life happened. May your soul rest in peace. May you find rest. May you find rest. May your children.
Yeah, my baby, they finally rest you. You know, get with Talosia. The story is already was it. You shall not do it there. Regarde l'histoire de Sharon, c'est. Il y a Sharon. Il y a un Joy, il y a un Josie. Il y a l'histoire de c'est. Il y a un Josie, il y a un Bokman. Waouh, et oui, des coups mou. Vous regardez moi, je vais dans mon tien. Comment il y a si aïe. Moi, je vais dans mon tien. What a pity.
Dis-moi, il péché si. Il y a une fois, bien pour la dernière année, mais il y a une custody. Now we clear.
Je vais tasser. Je vais ça.
To knock. Moi, à l'hospital. Dis-moi, il péché si. Il y a une fois, bien pour la dernière année, mais il y a une custody. Now we clear. Yes, patient Izzy can still go back there and say, okay, I need it back. Because you cannot take, even when I'm not in now, the family say, you don't take care of that child. You can never. Man.
That child, you don't really take care of your concern. What are you bearing? A patient is a car about Yeragmo. They know your way. Patient Izzy, you are all you hear ready. You have your way. You have your way. I be one kidney, you have your mom. You have your way, Izzy. Now you make you be your way. I will wear the munition way. Now you agree you were seeing your mom. Nikwena move. E one kidney, you have here. I want to one kidney, I be here. I want to one kidney, I be here. You were not a beer by way. You were to be a beer by way. You were care. You will be by way. When I have to go, I be a Mateo Yagire. I be a Mateo Yagire. I think easy, however. You Sharon. However, I'm not aware. Oh, bam. I want you a beer by way. When you were not saying I'm on a beer by way, you marry me. You will come out with a beer. I have VF Yabie. I have VF Yabie. You might be power. Where it be you, where be you to? I shall not be by beer yotona. You have beaver. It shall not be by yotona already. What do I go see you? Where be you need you be amu? Don't move what? I have lost the coconut here. Be a one who sing your way. Be a one no master so your own. Who show your eye. Ogiazo game. Easy wa no wa the face wa go ogiazo hin. O team avant. Eke dan ka tosi. Eke bisi. Ya bi owo e. No dey how you hear it. Go have your own child. Bien mi no sin yo yere. Ogiane si ogiesi lima. E tu uwe ku yi. When we Ekela woy, where is screaming? Where is where is so? Where is trying? A country corner of Waloa. Where is Konya Bekonia Bekoy of ye? Where is Konya Bekoy of ye? No, very for moment. Nonsensical boy. Hello? I greet you. What up? I contribute to you, my sister. You can cross on afternoon.
Am I a speaker?
Or a speaker.
Hello, brother. Good afternoon.
What up?
I beg now you. I want use English. I want ask you something. I beg you reply me or I beg.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, madam.
Okay. Person in Nigeria, sponsor that can carry enter abroad. A sponsor that carry enter abroad. He come build house for Nigeria. As he manage build house, his mama, his papa, all of them come pass go the house. Then he come marry, he come born. At the end of the day, he come back for abroad. As he back, so mama and papa don't pass for more for years.
No.
They no pack, abi?
No.
So waiting Mama Sharon and that one when no pack, waiting be the difference.
No.
Mama Sharon go in Pikin house. The one where build that for his mama for Nigeria, he can't buy, his mama can't stay the same house. Waiting be the difference, not be the same thing. His mama say because say Pikin, but may pack come up for the house.
No.
Why is it they behave like this? If you see the special big girl for Izzy, say now Sharon friends before. Why is it he followed the other girls and made them come? Osamede wins the breaker. He followed the other one for the breaker. Now this side he can't follow.
And I know the platform come for the
Why is it just why is it they behave like this? Huh? Me get friends for Nigeria before, but if you see what that girl mama they do, then I will ask them.
Well, worry. A story is here. Me, I don't want to. Story is easy. Let me
Again, again, like we both bros. When that girl enter abroad, now mama tell you that for. You know say because saying they into our house, make computers for mama. You know say make computers for mama because say mama fed the maltreat them. Now mama and his siblings now tell you that for. Parents na parents. Where is it? They busy and what the Asian man start the buying here do what? Why your mama not stand by the made the bear? So I can go stand, but another person made that one go by her. You can't stand by that one. Say, I'm your not spending the weapon now. Hello, weapon. Maybe mama is Sharon. He don't stay for abroad. There's not be person when they social with people when no law, when no things. But mama is the people the test when no things, no law. If Sharon will go meet her, he go put Sharon through. But you know you say for say because he stand by Sharon. Truth, he stand by Sharon. That one be true. You know me say because of that one made the pursue mama. So now truth say easy now. I be the Sharon one. Easy one. For your pure mobile we see. Now go see Sharon. See Sharon is your way away. We go for peace for you, Sharon. Easy.
Easy, I be away. Ya yo yerere ya bi agwa bi juwe ya moje agwa bi juwe ya moje a o ma die Sharon o fe fi ma o de ke ma ye gbo keke when we clean na we bu o ma san o ya do wa o ma de o ma rent ro wi juwe ba ko mo wi juwe no de wa o wa mi o ge wa no ya se wa kakabo information in Enogie isaga ko gba gogo saga no we ni lage kene be e don dey work again online e no get wetin Enogie wan talk today we will never hear but your mama ogbegbe no ogbegbe oriwe ado tota ado ya kitota ado zanson rijwe wa so that's like way defense we use an tire you adeye Esaga no yobuva ya goloni aka ya kan we ya kan we ya frustrate we esaga no yobuva we obuva goloni ya kan we won we won kidney gba kan we wo ni kun kidney na wala je kwa esaga aka ya we lo pa kefo ma mi ro pa respect gbonu nya kan la wa na kan na pe nya kan da ozai nonsensical buha auzon wa uzo adeye ma fi kuta e ba kin na wa kin opa kan ni agu bia we Nigeria o ma ti gba ogo na wofo wa do adagogere we no bi opa no wo bi no ragbon we be mu no be twa we bi opa we no gbe kayi wo yi ni no west pon re lo a e lo spam kan no e fun mo ya yo easy yo Sharon we can akoko manu ya biya we go and have your own child and leave Sharon baby alone go and have your own child ya biya we so get there o yo wan ya biya we go have your own so get there awa we mu je rijuwe awa we mu je rijuwe iwe la ko mo go ya bi ni juwe mama o no gbe kayo we wakina we na ganya say go no go come no come abeg me and leave now Guys later.